to present the Comedy Lab. Niclas.
Hello.
Is that on? Yes, now it's on.
Now it's on. I would also like to listen some more to John instead of standing here. What will happen if you lock 15 comedy writers in a room for 2 days? Will they come up with something funny, or will they strangle each other? That was something that the script factory, Manusfabriken, wanted to find out. Manusfabriken is a group of professional screenwriters here in Gothenburg, and part of what we do is arrange workshops and script labs. And in November last year, we had the opportunity to put together a comedy script lab. So we invited 15 experienced comedy writers from all over Sweden to come to Gothenburg for a 2-day workshop. And the goal was to find new ideas, new original ideas for comedies, and also to create new writer partnerships. We wanted the writers to not bring anything to the lab, not any old ideas. We wanted everything to happen in the lab, so everything that would come out of the lab would be new and fresh. And we also encouraged the writers to come up with personal stories, much like John said, write what you know and something truthful. And they all wrote about their parents for some reason. I don't know why. Well, the first day was a brainstorming session, and the writers came up with 25 ideas for comedy shows. And most of these ideas were terrible. So we boiled it down to 5 ideas and started to mold them into shows. And the writers then divided themselves into 5 different groups and have worked on these ideas ever since. So now we have 5 different comedy series in development, and I know one of them have been picked up by a production company, and a few of the others will receive funding from Lindholmen Science Park. And we feel that the whole experience, I think you have another.
Do we want to?
Here are the guys. We feel that the whole experience and the whole lab was very successful, and the writers really loved it. And we would like to do another one next year. And hopefully we can come back here next year and show some of these shows when they're being made. And if you want to know more about the Comedy Lab, you can check out our website or get in touch with us, or if you want to talk about comedy. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Niclas. Great.